Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich. So let's get started. Alright, to make our delicious hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich, we have 6 nice slices of turkey. And over here we have an Italian sub roll, a nice tomato, 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese, and 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese. Yep, it's going to be cheesy, guys. Okay. Alright, let's put some of this aside. Okay, let's take our sub roll and we'll slice that in half. Just like this. Okay, guys, there it is. We're going to lightly toast this, then we're going to build our sandwich. Alright, now let's slice up our nice tomato. We'll save that for something else. Boy, is that knife sharp. Now this is like a plum tomato. That's what they call them. Okay, let's put our tomatoes in a nice bowl. Alright, there's our tomatoes sliced up nicely. Now let's start making our hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using a non-stick skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're going to go ahead and put a little peanut oil in the pan. Okay, let's let our pan get hot. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Now we're going to take our turkey meat, look at all that, and we're going to put that right in there. Okay, now we're going to fry them up, just warm them up good. Now, don't take long for these to get hot. Okay, now we're going to lower our burner to medium low. And we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese. Yep, we're going to put that right on there. See how much we can get on there. Okay, there you go. 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. And let's see if we can get some cheddar cheese on there. Okay. It's going to be cheesy, guys. Okay, let's flatten that down just a little bit. Alright, try to tidy up these edges. Look at the cheese in there, guys. Wow, that's going to be a big one again. Now we're going to take our tomatoes and we're going to put them on there. Okay, that looks to be pretty good. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt, not much, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, and onion powder. Now we're going to put a little bit more of our cheddar cheese on. Yep, put a little bit on top. And let's finish it up. Yeah. Wow, guys, this is really cheesy. That's 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella and 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese on there. Now we're going to go ahead and put a little Dijon mustard on there. Yep. All right, and some parsley flakes. Okay, guys, let's tidy this up a little bit. Wow. Are we going to be able to get that on that sub roll? Well, we're going to give it our best shot. Now let's go ahead and cover that and let our cheese melt. Okay, guys, let's see how we're doing. Let's check our cheese. Oh yeah, boy does that look good. Man, it really smells good too. Let's go ahead and see if we can tidy up our cheese. Because it's a lot of cheese. Okay, guys, that's done. Let's shut off our burner. And let's see if we can get that on that sub roll. All right, let's give it a try. All right, guys, here it is. Our delicious hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich filling. And look at all that cheese. And we went ahead and tidied it up a little bit with a spatula to see if we can get it on that nice sub roll. So let's give it a shot. Okay, let's try to get it out of there. Okay, let's put it right on there. Wow, guys, it's going to be another big one. Can you see it? I'm losing my roll. Look at that, guys. That's huge. Okay, let's put our roll top on. Yep, look at that sandwich. Boy, is that nice. Okay, there we go. Alright, let me turn it around so I can show it to you. Look at this, guys. Can you see it? That is just huge right there. Really huge. Let me see if I can show you. Look at that. Can you see it? Even my jaws might not fit around that. Look at the cheese coming out of there. Okay, guys, there we have it. Our delicious hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich. And we added tomatoes and all those good seasonings. And it is loaded with cheese. 2 3/4 cups of cheese in there. And 6 slices of nice turkey meat. Boy, is this going to taste good. I can't wait to have a taste of this. So let's get into it. Alright, guys, let's slice this right in half. Alright, let's pick it up and see how we did. Look at that sandwich. Unbelievable. Alright, it's loaded. Look at that delicious looking hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich. It's loaded with turkey. Loaded with cheese. You can see it kind of oozing out over here. And it's got nice tomatoes in there. So I can't wait to have a bite. So let's have a bite. Wow, guys. That is delicious. I'm telling you, just go ahead and make them this way. Let me see if I can show you. Yep, they are really tasty. Like I said before, just go ahead and make them this way because you'll love them. And if you make one of these, you could probably feed 2 people. Yep, I can't help it. I just keep making sandwiches too big. But that's always good. You know, if you don't finish it, you can always save it for later. You can have it cold even, right? Alright, guys, you know what'll go good with this since we're having this for a nice lunch? You probably guessed this one. I know you did. We're having a nice cold snack. Like a wobble pop. Yep, we sure are. Look at that sandwich, guys. That's beautiful. Alright, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious hot turkey and cheese sub sandwich. That's what's for lunch today. And that does sound good. Okay, I just have to have another little bite. It's too good. Look at it, guys. Look at the cheese and everything in there. Okay. Is that good? Oh, I hear somebody knocking at the door. I guess I'll have to make another one. Okay.